Here's a Freightliner Cascadia 125. This year is 2018, but the surrounding years should work just the same. We're gonna get this headlight out because these are burned out. They're the LED style and they're done. First, we got to pop the hood. There's two latches on either side right here. Get those undone and put that hood up. And once you have it up, the underside is gonna look like this. These are 10 millimeters. There's 4 of them. There's 1, 2, and the third one is right here. You pop that up. That's just a retainer for the loom. And the fourth one is right there. And go ahead and rotate those a little bit. Well, after you get these off, but go ahead and get those off. But before you get them all of the way loose, you want to go ahead and get these off. You put pressure on either side and those pop off. Get those two off before you fully loosen that, because that will just fall onto the ground. I've got those two unplugged for the high and the low beam, and once we have all 4 of these all the way out, it should fall to the ground, and if it doesn't, then something is bound. There we go. Oh, I forgot to unplug that one, the third one. You definitely want to do that. It's a turn signal light. There is the new one. There is the old one. The new one should come with new nuts and washers. If it doesn't, you can go ahead and reuse the old ones as long as they're not too rusted out, as long as they fit. But the new ones should come with these. I've got to use both hands for this, so I can't really film it, but what I'm going to do is hold this up onto the other side of here and push it through, and then start on some of these, put a nut right there, and probably on the top end one right there. That'll hold it together, and then I will get all that zipped up. Once you've got all 4 of those tightened and zipped down, then go ahead and get the turn signal one back into here. Kind of hard for me to film that. There is a clip that goes on this side, and it should be facing that side, the passenger side. Don't know if you heard the clip, but you probably heard my grunt. So that is in there, and then we get these on. The low beam should be the outside one. So low should go to here, and the inner one should be high. And once you have everything latched down with these little clips, which may or may not fit right, make sure you got this part, shove that on there, and that's just to prevent the wire and the loom from flopping all over the place. That's not really the greatest fit, but that's OEM. And then go ahead and zip tie these up. That's what I would recommend. You don't have to, but not good to just have the stuff flopping all over the place.